Hey guys, Everything Like 2 here. It is time for fire alarm MIDI or fire alarm mini system test 4 or mini fire alarm system test 4, whatever you want to call it. But anyway, let's go ahead and let's go. Okay, so yeah, got the panel. Same as usual. I made a little thing here to accommodate with the LEDs and all that, and the labels. And there's a supervisory zone supervision circuit there. I did for the system test 3. So yeah, just use the same usual as always. We get the fake BG12L. We got Wheelock AS set to 30 candela doing go 3 volume. We got Wheelock Wheelock Exceeder STR set to 15 candela. And we got the usual Bosch, the Renix Bosch 2273 smoke detector. So let's go ahead, let's pull the fake BG12L. How's that? This guy reset. And now we'll reset the panel. Actually, I'm going to leave this open. Okay. So I got this little thing here. Test one of my magnetic testing type smoke detectors. And it has a strong magnet too. Sorry for that beep, that was a light detector. I had to shut it off. But anyway, so yeah, so I got this little thing here. And it actually does work. It's pretty strong too. What's that? The STR or the Exceeder continues to flash. There is a smoke detector. And now we're going to reset the system. So that's it, guys. There it is. Mini fire alarm system test 4. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. Hope you guys liked it.